UniWigs sent me a wig and I am so excited to unbox it with you. I don't know a ton about UniWigs, but I do know they have a little bit more budget-friendly options for human hair. The wig that I picked out was Carina, and she's supposed to be 20 inches, and I'm excited to see what's inside. So far we have an info card, a care card, we have our wig, we have a wig cap, and then we have a hair stick. I'm really interested to see what this is. All right, so here is our wig. It has tons of free parting space. It has lace on the back, which is a little new to me. I don't see me wearing the wig up because I think it'd still look a little fake. So I probably will cut the lace off on the back of the neck when I cut the front. She's really long. All right, let's throw her on. My first impression is the wig cap runs a little bit big. She's also supposed to be 20 inches, and I feel like she looks way longer than 20 inches. I'd like to point out that the knots seem to be unbleached and a little bit thicker. The hair density of the wig is definitely thicker on top and then definitely tapers towards the ends, making them a little bit thinner. I think this would be a great piece to actually get customized. What do you think?